Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're talking about the ultimate guide to YouTube for travel agents. We're diving in onto all things YouTube. If you want to learn how YouTube can really have a positive impact on your business, if you want to learn 3 mistakes I see travel agents and YouTubers making with their new channels, and my top tips for launching your own YouTube strategy, then keep on watching. That's what we're talking about today. Guys, don't forget to take a moment to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We put out content every single week to help you grow your travel businesses, and I don't want you to miss a thing. By the way, if you're new here, I want to just say welcome. If you are new, you might not know me. My name is Cyndi Williams. I started in the travel industry over 25 years ago, and I am best known for being the CEO of Careers on Vacation. We have the microphone in the way today. Which helps people launch, grow, and supersize their travel businesses. That's what I do every single day. I also own and operate my own travel agency, so everything that we train on this channel is actually tested in real life, and we love to share how you can grow too. So today we're discussing the ultimate guide to YouTube for travel agents, right? I know video is so scary for so many people, but I have to tell you, it really can help you drive your business forward. And I want to thank you guys. Did you know that we are the #1 channel for travel agents on YouTube? You guys are amazing. Thank you for, helping us with videos that have gone viral. Thank you for helping us get our channel name out there. And our YouTube experience has been grown over time. We've had viral videos. We generate leads every day into our businesses from YouTube, and we've spent thousands of dollars figuring out what works and what doesn't here on YouTube and in this space. And guys, video is here to stay. So make sure you are leaning in to thinking about video, having a video strategy. And, this is one of those things where this is the only time in our lifetimes where we, the little guy, right, has been able to compete with the big guys through this medium of video. That's a powerful thing. A lot of people go to YouTube to hear the real truth, the skinny. They want to hear it from the street, right? That's an important thing. Marketing is shifting from people know what the polished marketing looks like. And of course, resorts and hotels are going to have their well-polished videos and everything on point, but they want to hear from someone real, right? That's you. That could be you. So it really can change the playing field. And it also, the other great thing about video is it doesn't cost a lot. It costs time and energy and input, and you have to have a good strategy. But if you are leaning into video, it's one of those things that can be a really good resource for you. So, and guys too, if you're watching this video and you're brand new and you're just thinking about getting into the travel industry and this video popped up for you on YouTube, I want to tell you about a really quick resource. This is my free masterclass, the 5 shifts to a 6-figure travel business and beyond. That's what we specialize in, helping people scale their businesses to 6 figures. That's a free class. So if you're thinking about, is the industry for me? Is this something I even want to do? Check out that class, and I will link it down below for you too, for all of you who are in that consideration phase, just to help you make good decisions at the beginning. How you set up at the beginning is so important. All right, back to video. Quick quiz for you guys. Are you using YouTube right now? Have you started your YouTube journey? I want you to tell me in comments, no, I haven't. I'm thinking about it, or yes, I am. Yes, I am having success, or yes, no, I am started, but I'm not having success yet. I want to know where you guys are at, because that also helps me create more content about future videos that we can maybe help you with. So please take a moment and pop that into comments. I would love to read those responses. All right, so let's talk about how YouTube can transform your business. So the first and most obvious is, if you're using YouTube for the purpose or the objective of getting leads into your travel business or your travel agency, you can generate free leads from YouTube. There's not a lot of stuff that's free or that is organic that works to the degree that YouTube does. So think about that, generating more leads. It also helps position you as an expert. If you're an expert in cruises, or you're an expert in Hawaii, or an expert in destination weddings, it really helps you showcase your expertise and position you in the marketplace, and that's a powerful thing. It also increases the know like trust factor. People buy from people they know, trust, and like. So if you're creating videos and if you're delivering value and if you're putting that content out there, that all leads into that as part of your strategy. So think about all of those things. Those are powerful, powerful things that can help transform your business as you grow. And also, I always say every video is like a 24/7 commercial for your agency. We have videos for the agency that are 3, 5, 4, 5 years old now, thousands and thousands of views. We still get leads from those videos, even though they're old and the camera was bad and the audio wasn't good. It's still a 24/7 commercial that's floating out there for your agency. So video is a powerful thing. Now, I want to talk about a few mistakes that I see people make. I know video can be intimidating for a lot of people to jump into, especially if you're new or you're not really comfortable on film, but there's a few things just to think about before you jump in. The first one is not having a clear strategy or purpose for your channel. What is the purpose for your YouTube channel? What do you want to do in this space of YouTube for the people and the community and the potential clients that you want to serve? Think about that. Get clarity on it. Set an intention for your channel. Here on this channel, we're here to help people with their travel businesses. That is what my goal is, to connect through travel and to help you. And for those who are ready, they may work with us in Careers on Vacation or may work with me in the future. And if not, I still want you to have a ton of success. That's my goal with this particular channel. For our travel agency channel, we are sharing our love of travel and putting out information for our travel destinations that we sell and connecting with potential clients that way and inviting them to do business through our travel agency, right? So that's the first one. People don't have a strategy. They just start making videos and they don't have like a format. They're not using it and they don't have a way to plug those videos into a marketing system, if that makes sense. Or just an unclear vision on what their channel is going to be about. One day they're at the grocery store showing something, the next day they're doing a travel video, the next day they're doing something that's not related to travel. So be clear. You want to make sure you're consistent, because the way that you build a following is people come back to you because they want to see something that you're doing. So you have to figure out what that something is going to be that you're going to be sharing with your audiences. The next thing is the channel's not optimized. And you're like, Cyndi, what's optimizing, right? So there's so many different ways you can optimize every single platform that's out there. YouTube is no different. Making sure you know what works. How do you get more eyeballs on your video? What are the things that you should do? This is stuff from having a good banner to type of content that you use, the type of tagging that you're doing on your videos, a whole list of things, but making sure that you are optimizing your channel is really key. Getting it to a place where it's kind of running on repeat and your videos are getting seen by more people. That's important. And then the third one is they don't really understand how to leverage videos in marketing. They'll make a video and it'll live on YouTube, but how can I maybe repurpose that video in marketing or to support my clients, or maybe in a funnel, or maybe in an email, or maybe over on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube Shorts or TikTok or all the places, right? So I know, don't get overwhelmed. There's a lot of places you can use video right now. The first thing is you just got to start with making videos, but from that you need to start thinking about, okay, this is a great video I created. Now how can I plug it into my marketing machine? How can I get this video to work for me over and over and over again? So having a strategy with your marketing and how you're going to leverage, because let's be honest, making video, it takes a lot of time, right? It may be free, which is great, start with your phone or what you have, but it takes time and effort and thinking to create good content. And I know we make it look easy, but we put a lot of thought in the topics that we're going to discuss. What are the screenshots we need to show? What are the things we might want to preview? What questions might people have? Like, there's a lot of thought that might go into the production of your videos. But once you do that work, now how can you leverage that in multiple ways? You really want to think about that. So that's a mistake I see people make. They put a great video out and it could be a great video and then it just kind of falls dead in the water. And I'm like, oh, they could use it here or here or here, all these different places, right? So think about that. Where are some other ways that I can leverage this video so it brings me more leads and more success over the long term? So it keeps working for you once you do that, the work and the effort of creating it once. All right, let me give you my top tips for launching your channel. The first one is you just got to hit record. I know it's so intimidating, video, right? You just have to hit record. Your first 30 videos might be crap. That's okay. Give yourself permission to have some crap videos. It's not the end of the world. Everyone's going to get bigger, and don't lose sight of the fact that that learning period that you go through when you're starting a new channel, every video is going to get a little better and a little better and a little better till you get them in a really smooth pattern, and you'll get to a place where they feel good and they look better and they sound better. But you got to hit record. That's number one. The second is be patient with yourself. It is a journey. Give yourself permission to grow. If you go back and look at our first videos on our travel agency channel, by the way, you can follow us over at Tripsy Travel Agency is our other channel. Feel free to follow over there too, and you can see our travels and our vlogging and the other things that we do. But if you go back and look at our first videos, they're so bad, you guys. They're horrible, and that's okay, because I had to make the horrible ones to get to the better, and then the better, and then the better, and now they're great, right? So be patient with yourself. It's a journey. The next thing you want to think about is, what is the purpose? What is the purpose of this video? What do I want people to do after they watch this video? I want them to do what? Have a purpose for your video. Do you want them to connect with you, follow you somewhere, reach out for a lead? Think about that before you hit that first record button. The next one is, how do you want to help people? How do you want to serve the customers that you potentially will work with in the future? What do you want to do for people in the world? Like, ask yourself that question, and that can be the space in which you start to create your content here on YouTube. And also, what content is most important for you to create first? A lot of people will say, well, I'm going to go on this trip, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to do that. And it's like chasing 10 different rabbits, right? But think about, what if I had these 10 videos for my agency, what would the first 10 videos be? Think about what video content is most important for you to create first. You might be surprised if you think through that, and you might go, I actually need a couple videos for my clients from a customer service perspective, and then I can create some of these. So just think that through, because that will help give you a structure. It's kind of like if you were going to write a book, you wouldn't just start writing a book. You would probably outline the chapters first. You want to do the same thing with your channel. What is that top? We call that kind of your core content, your cornerstone content is what we call that. What are those top videos you want to create? And then what action are you trying to inspire with your audience? What do you want them to do, right? At the end of those videos. And then have that well-defined video strategy is the last one. Now that you've created some great content, you have some videos out there, what are you going to do with your videos? What's my strategy moving forward? And keep in mind, as you start to grow your channel, you're going to grow your voice a little bit more. You're going to grow your community. You're going to learn more about them. They're going to learn more about you. So this is something that will evolve over time. But always remember, what is your end goal with your channel? Are you trying to get more customers? Are you trying to educate? Are you trying to build a following? Are you trying to grow your business? What is your strategy? And then how do those videos help you accomplish that? Also, while you're supporting and serving the community that you're creating videos for. So, guys, I recognize video is uncomfortable, and for years we have been training video at Careers on Vacation. 2020, everybody was like, oh, Zoom's like a household name now. You guys, we've been training video for years and years and years. How to create that video strategy. Things that we've done in Careers on Vacation is we give our students a video strategy. We give you a show flow. What should the flow of your show look like? How do you set up your first home studio? Getting comfortable on video. We actually have a challenge that we do to help you get past those mindset blocks with getting on video, and how to position yourself as an expert. There's really some specific ways that you can do that. And I know this is a short video today for education purposes, but we have in-depth content on how to position yourself as an expert by using video, and then how to introduce call to actions in your videos. And then what do you do once you have that video content? How do you plug it into a giant marketing machine so it's delivering leads on a regular basis to you? So guys, if that's something you really are thinking about diving into, and you really want to get serious about not just YouTube, but growing your travel business in general, I want to invite you to apply for our Careers on Vacation Mastermind. This is a 12-week program. You guys have all heard about it if you've been watching us on the channel for a while, but not only do you get our state-of-the-art training program, you get to come to live classes and sessions with me, and you get a coach and a mentor that's going to work with you wherever you are at in your journey, whether you're new or you're experienced. And you get access to my team of experts, my marketing experts, the same team that got me to the level that I am today, you get access to, and they will help you grow your travel business too. And this is the most reviewed travel program out there to date. So check out the 100 plus case studies we have right here on YouTube. But if you want to apply, definitely do that soon. You can go to careersonvacation.com/ready now. We are enrolling all through summer and into fall and winter right now because you guys, it has been insane. We have been sold out and on wait list since the beginning of this year. It's just been a crazy year because everybody needs travel agents now and everyone wants to take their business to the next level, which I'm super excited about as well. But guys, I hope you got some great tips from today's video. As always, I wish you so much love, so much abundance. I wish you the world. And listen, I will see you back here next week. Bye, guys. Cyndi Williams here. If you like that last video, make sure you check out my other content to help you grow and scale your very own travel business. And also, I invite you to travel around the world with me and find out what I'm doing in my portable, profitable, award-winning travel business. Check out the videos.